You're late.
Don't just live life, maxify it.
Your thoughts on her
hats
spell?
off. Even now, she trains doubly hard, extremely hard, because she knows how crucial that forthcoming World Cup is. So I'm very pleased to see that, to see things happening for her. And this was what Boria was also saying, that up front, if Asimas, can break through 2-3 wickets, then this is a different ball game. And precisely what happened. And it's so heartening to see that there was pressure even at the other end, where Mansi Joshi kept it tight and clipped a wicket or two herself. So this helped things, and from there on, it was India on top.
Yeah, 7th 4-wicket haul in ODIs for Jhulan Goswami to add to the 2 5-ers that she has. Boria, coming to you, how impressed were you with her spell? You predicted that we want a wicket up front. She delivered, and there was also the bowling in tandem with Mansi Joshi. So your thoughts on India's seam attack in the second ODI?
Fantastic. I mean, and when Jhulan sort of does this, each time Jhulan comes to me and tells me, oh, Boria, how many more months, time to give up, I get angry. I seriously get angry with her. In fact, I've shouted at her multiple times in the last few months saying, don't talk nonsense. You have to play the World Cup of 22. And now we know why. I mean, we keep meeting for lunch, as you guys know, every 2 weeks. And every 2 weeks we discuss this. And she's like, Are, itna din to ho gaya. I said, what itna din ho gaya? World Cup ka abhi bhi wo trophy tumhare cabinet mein nahi hai. Usko jito and then you give up. We now know why. She's like old wine. Keeps getting better and better. Or like real premium single malt scotch. Add to the years, 12 to 18. She's just unbelievable. And, I can't tell you how happy when Jhulan and Mithali, these people who I consider family, I mean, when they do so well, and I know, as Mamta said, the amount of hard work. I've said this on our last show, 2 days, and the team was not getting announced. And obviously, everybody was getting a tad frustrated. And she said, the Bengal team is training in Kalyani. Let me go and train with them for 1 day. And you can understand that it is still inside. It's burning. I'm very, very pleased for her.
It was absolutely fantastic. I felt like I was reading a really, really good book. I've got up to make myself a cup of tea. I'm a bit disappointed, obviously, from a South African perspective, but just absolutely enthralled by how it sort of all just sort of come to the fore and worked. I thought India were phenomenal. Jhulan, I mean, we can't say more. It was just a fantastic spell. From a quick bowler or an opening bowler, she came on, she got that 1 wicket with the new ball, which is perfect, which is almost like ideal. And then she came back later on in her spell and then picked up sort of another 3 wickets. Unfortunately, unlucky to miss out on getting a fifer with that no ball, because I really thought she absolutely deserved it.